Replacing the printhead on a ZT231 printer. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Remember to remove any media and ribbon. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Open the media door. Slide the printhead latch forward until the large holes align with the printhead locking posts. Open the print mechanism. Pull the printhead from the print mechanism. Disconnect the power and data cable. Remove the printhead. Connect the new printhead to the power and data cable. Slide the printhead cable back into the printhead cable cover. Install the printhead into the print mechanism. Lower the print mechanism onto the printhead. Lower the toggle. To lock the printhead into place, press down on the print mechanism and slide the printhead latch toward the back of the printer. Open the printhead. Clean the printhead. Close the printhead. Close the media door. Reconnect AC power and all data cables. Turn on the printer.